Epa! What is he doing? He's just chilling. If he bit me, I would put him back in his cage. You could be my sister. Aw, thanks. You're gorgeous. I wish I was your twin, girl. Damn. Oof. Woo, it just got hot in here with my family. Yeah. Oh, that tickles, that tickles. Oh, God. Oh, my God, that tickles, that tickles. Oh, jeez. Oh, my God, you guys. Why did you make me do this? He's getting in my hair. He's getting... He's so ticklish. Oh, my God, yo. This is crazy. Oh, fuck, oh, fuck. Okay. Oh, okay. If I said mom, I buy a snake, she will kick